Hello guys, we are continuing consider AISL May 2025 paper 1 time zone 1 questions, and in this video we will consider question number 8. So let's make a short overview. It is 7 marks total, containing 2 parts A and B, 5 and 2 marks each. Pretty short, and I hope you will solve it faster than 7 minutes. Let's see. Consider a function of the form fx when b and c are constants. Yeah, you see that b and c are constants. The graph of y is equal to f of x has gradient of 0.208 at x is equal to 5. Determine the value of b. This is a part A. Okay, so what to do? So first of all, let's understand what's the relation of gradient concept to the function. Even gradient given at the point. So we have a, like, I don't know, the graph of the function, and we have x is equal to 5, and the gradient is equal to 0.208. Okay, this is a function, f of x. Okay, how to convert? So gradient of the function at the point is equal to the slope of the tangent at this point. It means that we have to find the derivative. So f prime of 5 is equal to 0.208. Okay, so you see, we can find derivative now. Let's find the derivative. F of x is equal to, we will find the derivative. It's takes time. See. Okay, so it is minus 4x to the minus 3 minus bx in power negative 2. Okay, so it is our f prime x. Okay, and now we have to plug 5 instead of x. So let me use color. I will use color, guys. So 5. So instead of x, I will put 5 everywhere. So f prime of 5 is equal to minus 4 times 5 in power negative 3 minus b 5 in power negative 2, and it is equal to 0.280. Okay, now we should solve for b. You can use your calculator and solve it by calculator. Yeah, so there are several options how it could be solved in calculator. The first way is simply analytical one. So minus b, then we're just writing straightforward like this: 0.208 minus plus 4 times 5 in power negative 3, and then b is equal to, we just simply divide. Yeah, so let's simply divide. So that's how you will type in your calculator. If you know another approach, feel free to use it. Yeah, so it's not required to use exactly this way. Okay, and b is equal to negative 6. Okay, we found b. So our 5 marks done. Okay, show that f of x is increasing at x is equal to 3.5. Show that f of x is increasing at 3.5. So what to do? Conceptually, we have the picture of the graph. So we have to show. Let me use another graph. I will use. So let's say that it is x, and so this point is 5, and this point is, let's say, 3.5. Yeah, 3.5. So we have to show that our graph is increasing at this point. It means that we have to show here f prime of 3.5 is positive. Yeah, this is only thing that we have to show here. Okay, so now we found b. Yeah, and we didn't find c, right? We didn't find c, but we don't need a c. We need f prime of x. Only f prime of x. Let me just underline what we need. So we will use the same derivative one more time. So we need this again. So for part b, I will show part b here. We will use it here again. So again, as I said, f prime of 3.5, and we'll just plug, guys, everything instead of x 3.5. Now b is -6, so negative 6, and 3.5 in power -2. Okay, now it's just calculation. So it's just calculation. After calculation, you will obtain that f prime of 3.5 is equal to 0.397, which is obviously more than 0, and it means that f of x is increasing at x is equal to 3.5. That's how you get full marks. Actually, it's not obligatory to write this stuff. So actually, this row is implying your understanding. So 2 marks here, 1 for method. So this is M1, and 1 mark for the answer. So it was a question number 7 about the application of derivatives in the context of the behavior of the function. See you in the next video. Goodbye.